Hi, are you considering purchasing the Find Work You Love course and are curious to know what is even included? Well, I'm going to give you the quick tour of the library. You can also click on one of the links below on this page to take a look at a limited access, just to kind of get a sense, go through it yourself in your own time. But let me share my screen so that you can take a look at what's included in this incredible course. So, the Find Work You Love course is designed to help you find your dream job. It's to find work you love, where you work less, make more, and finally feel happy and fulfilled doing work that you love. So as soon as you sign up, you're going to get access to this very library here. You're going to go through a welcome with a little bit more in-depth tour. There are three learning plans. So I have an accelerated 1 day, accelerated 1 week, a 5 week, and a 12-week learning plan where you can learn and implement what you're learning in real time to help you keep on track and to ensure that you finish the course. We have the four major steps. We have the discover your dream job, your design your job search brand, your increase your visibility, your showcase your value, and then the final very exciting step of making your impact. This is the main process to finding work you love. It's ensuring that you know what it is you want. You create a set of documents that lines up with what they want and what you want. So like it's like you and them, and like it's just magic happens. It's making sure their eyes get on those documents, and then it's making sure you shine in that interview, and then that you negotiate through a seamless offer process. Now, there are a couple of bonus modules. You saw one quickly when we went through up here right after the job search brand. I have some resume bonuses and samples exclusive to the course. We have a whole bunch of resume templates. We have a list of key action verbs and like very impactful resume action verbs, and then resume verbiage. This is some sample bullet points that I've written that are not ChatGPT. They do not sound like ChatGPT that you can use to help inspire your own or to tweak and make sense for you and your situation. And I have it for a whole bunch of types, common types of roles, into many different types of industries. It is like worth it alone. And then the final set of bonus modules are weekly job search plans. I know that you can't find a job if you're not actually looking for a job. So I want you to be set up for success. So this walks you through how to create a job search plan that is realistic and suitable to you and your life. Also, how to use ChatGPT with your job search so that you don't sound like everybody else and you don't outsource your brain to it, because I also don't want you to do that. The most effective job search tracker tool that you will probably ever come across. It is like incredible is crazy. I love it. So this will help you keep track of all of those job applications that you apply to and people you reach out to, so that when they reach out to you, you're not confused. And then the interview cheat sheet. This is a one-page, two-side document that gives you space to write down in bullet point form all of the key things that you want to talk about in an interview. There's also some exclusive to the students of the course offerings, like me doing a resume, LinkedIn, and cover letter review. I do not offer that outside. Same with 30-minute coaching sessions. Same with an accelerated coaching program for $200 off of what I would normally offer it for, or for what anything else. Like this is everything. This is 8 years of me coaching. This is all of the knowledge and expertise that I've developed in one course designed to help you find work you love. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at Coach Sarah at sarahcurdo.ca. I'll see you in there.